Okay, so setting up MetaMask on your laptop isn't really that difficult. So the first thing is if you open up your browser and look for and search for Chrome Store, because you can add MetaMask as an extension on your Chrome browser if you're using Chrome browser. So if you search for the web store, and then you can just go to the Chrome web store. Oh, that's just images. Sorry. Let me try that again.
So click on all instead of images.
Oh, yeah.
Underneath
that bit. I didn't see that. That's it. Oh, so you go to the Chrome web store, which is, why isn't it there? It was there earlier when I looked at it, when I did it beforehand. Right, there you go, Chrome Store. Okay, this isn't going well today, is it? I did this while you were doing yours and it went straight there.
Okay, Joe, write extensions. Chrome extensions. Extensions. Yes.
There we go.
Right. So these are the extensions which are like.
So, okay. So these are all the extensions. This is where you'll find all the extensions for Chrome Store. So now here where it says search store, just type in MetaMask. And this is the one you want with the fox head on it. Okay. So if you tap on that and then tap on add to Chrome and then confirm that you want to add it. And you can see up here on the top right hand corner, it's going to add it to your Chrome store. Sorry, to add it to your extension list. Can you see this small puzzle piece here? This is where the list of your extensions is. So if you click on that, you'll see all your extensions on here. So once that loads up, all you're going to do is pin it, and that will be here. So that'll only take a couple of seconds more to do. You can see that's nearly done here. Now, in the meantime, when you do this, you're going to need to have a pen and paper with you. Okay, you don't need it now, but you will need a pen and paper when you set up your MetaMask account. Okay, so that should be there now. If I click extensions and I can scroll through, no, not there. So maybe I click that. Okay, there you go. So now there it is. All right, you can see it there. So if I click on that puzzle piece, it's there. If I click on the pin, it will now pin it to this bar here, so you'll be able to access it immediately. Okay, so now that's loading up. Let me just move this. Okay, so now here's your startup page. So you're going to agree to the terms and conditions. Now, if you're importing a wallet from a different account from a different exchange, a different Web3 wallet, you can import it here, but we're creating a new wallet. So create new wallet, and then read all of this stuff. I'll go through a little bit about security in a moment. Click I agree, and then you're going to create your password. Now, this isn't an account that I plan to use, so it's fine. Let's put that on it. I probably need to put that. So make sure it matches, obviously. Click I understand and create new wallet. Okay. I don't know what this video is, but we're not going to watch that now. Okay, now, this is where you're going to need your pen and paper ready in a minute. Okay, because what's going to happen now is when I click the next bit, to go on to the next bit, it's going to give me a key phrase. Okay, so you'll need to write that down because A, you're going to need to save it, B, because it's going to ask you to enter it. So click on here to do it. Okay. So now I click to reveal the key phrase. So I've got to take a second to quickly write that down. Smoke. 9, 6, 10, 11, range 12. Okay, so right, I've just written those down. So it's very important that when you write them down, you write them down exactly as you see them here and in the correct order. Okay, now this key phrase is your secret key. You must never give this key phrase to anybody, and you must never lose this key phrase, because if you log out of your MetaMask account and then you forget your password, you will never be able to recover it. And if you give this key phrase to somebody, they have full access to your wallet. This is like the front door key to your house. So if somebody ever contacts you pretending to be from customer service for MetaMask and they want your key phrase and they're going to deposit $5 million, they're lying. So keep this secure and safe. Okay. So now click next. And now you'll have to fill in the blanks. So this is why it's important to write it in the correct order. So number 3 was near. Number 4 was snack. Number 8 was smoke. And then confirm. And that's your wallet created. So click got it. And then it's just a couple of bits here to set up that you don't really need to do anything with for the moment. So let me just close that down. Hold on, let me move the bar and close this down. Okay, so now by default, MetaMask will automatically will set you up with an Ethereum mainnet wallet on here. Okay, so when Shavez gives us the training, we are going to add a new network. So can you see here where it says Ethereum mainnet? If you tap on that, it gives you different networks that you can use to add. So if you click add network, these are all the networks that we can currently add to it. So you just click on that, click add network, and then you'll be able to switch between Ethereum and the BNB chain or any one of these. So at some point, Shavez is going to give us the details for his network, which I don't know whether it'll automatically pop up here, but if not, then what you'll do is, can you see right at the very bottom where it says add network manually? So we would click on that, and then Shavez will give us all of the identity details for his network here, which we'll then add in. And then once you've added it, when we come back to the normal page, I'll close that down. Then when we come back to this page, then you'll just click on this, you'll click, and then it may well already be here. You'll have it here already because you've used it. So you'll be able to flick between the different networks to be able to access it. And when it comes to adding tokens on here, or coins, like the USDT or Ethereum or indeed our own token BTCC, I guess. Can you see here where it says import tokens? You tap import token, and then you can click search token. So for USDT, USDT, it automatically comes up because that's a common token. But as a custom token, you would click custom token, and you will have a token contract address. You'll add that in. It will automatically fill in the other fields. You will add it, and that token will then show here automatically. And that is how you set up MetaMask. All good?
All good. So Joe was right. I will provide, before we start the minting of the NFTs, I will provide the address of our blockchain, basically a link to add BTC20 on your MetaMask. And that's why I want everyone. So every day from now onwards, we will have volunteers from our community to demonstrate how to create MetaMask in different style of explanation, so that we all learn it.